Today we're talking about graphing proportions. So far we've had ratios and proportions, and we've shown how you can write them as a table. Here's our first thing, here's our second thing. 0 goes with 0, 2 with 4, and 4 with 8. We've learned how to find the unit rate by dividing. The second thing by the first, 8 divided by 4, 4 divided by 2, and 0 divided by 0. Today we're going to look at how you can use a input-output chart, just like we had, to make a graph. We're going to graph a proportion. So here we go. Let's use this. Here's what we're going to do. For each input, we have one output. In 8th grade, we'll call that a function. What we're going to do is we're going to use this x and this y as our ordered pair to make a point on our graph. So for example, this pair is going to be 0 x's, 0 y's. Here is x, here is y. X is always the horizontal line, y is always the vertical line. And I want 0 x's, well that'd be here, 0, and 0 y's, also here, 0. There we go, point 0, 0. Great, I graphed the first point. Let's graph the second point. 2 x's, 4 y's. 2 x's, 1, 2, 4 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. There's my second point. Okay, let's graph our third point. You should be catching on now. 4 x's, 8 y's. So let's start with 4 x's. We're doing this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 8 y's. It's a positive 8, so we're going to count up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here. Now I have 3 points. I only need 2 of them if I'm going to make a graph, but 3 of them will work. And let's take my ruler and connect the dots now. I'm going to start at 0, I'm going to put my ruler right along the dots, and I'm just going to draw a line through them. That is a graph of a proportion. Notice, a graph of a proportion, a proportional graph, is a straight line. See that straight line? That means it's linear. Linear, meaning it looks like a line. We can use this graph to help us figure out other points that would be on it, or other proportions. So for example, at 2, we're at 4, and at 4, we're at 8. Can we figure out where we'd be at 3? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Now let's move up to the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 3, I would have 6, or whatever my other quantity is. This can also help us to go beyond the line. I could ask myself, where would I be at 2, 4, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can count up and see where the dot would fall. Being able to graph a proportion can help us to solve problems. It can also help us to see that it is proportional, because if I can graph them and it makes a straight line, I know I have a proportional relationship.